Do you dream of financial freedom? Imagine waking up each day without the stress of bills or debts weighing you down. Picture yourself living a life where you have the freedom to make choices based on your desires, not your financial limitations. Imagine a life without financial worries, where you can take spontaneous vacations with your loved ones, explore new cities, and create unforgettable memories without constantly checking your bank balance. A life of abundance and choice. Envision yourself living in a beautiful home, driving the car of your dreams, and shopping without hesitation. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a reality that can be achieved with the right mindset. This is the power of a millionaire mindset. It's about more than just accumulating wealth, it's about transforming your entire approach to life. It's about adopting a mindset that attracts opportunities and opens doors to new possibilities. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and security that money can provide. It's about being able to spend quality time with your family and friends, enjoying the finer things in life without worry. It's about unlocking your full potential. Just like an athlete trains to reach peak performance, you too can train your mind to achieve greatness. It's about pushing past your limits and discovering what you're truly capable of. You have the power within you to achieve anything you desire. Through meditation and self-reflection, you can tap into your inner strength and clarity. By presenting your ideas with confidence, you can inspire others and create opportunities for success. It all starts with your mindset. The thoughts you think and the beliefs you hold shape your reality. By looking in the mirror and affirming your goals, you set the stage for your future success. Believe in yourself and your dreams. Celebrate your small victories along the way, as they are stepping stones to your larger goals. Recognize your achievements and let them fuel your motivation. You are capable of incredible things. Just like an athlete crossing the finish line, you too can achieve your most challenging goals. It's about perseverance, dedication, and believing in your own potential. This journey begins by adopting the habits of those who have already achieved success. Seek out mentors and learn from their experiences. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you to grow. By modeling their actions, you too can unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Educate yourself continuously, read books, watch videos, and never stop learning. Knowledge is power, and it can pave the way to your financial independence. It's time to step into your power and create the life you deserve. Stand tall, embrace your journey, and look confidently towards your future. The world is full of opportunities waiting for you to seize them. Are you ready to unleash your inner millionaire? The path to financial freedom and a life of abundance starts with a single step. Take that step today and begin your journey towards the millionaire mindset. Millionaires don't just wish for success, they plan for it. They set clear, specific, and measurable goals. Write down your goals every day. This keeps them top of mind and fuels your motivation. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each milestone you achieve. This reinforces your progress and keeps you motivated. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Start setting powerful goals today and watch your dreams become reality. Successful people never stop learning. They are voracious readers, constantly seeking knowledge and self-improvement. Read books, articles, and biographies of successful people. Immerse yourself in new ideas and perspectives. Knowledge is power, and it fuels your growth. Commit to reading for at least 30 minutes each day. Choose books that inspire and educate you. Expand your mind and watch your wealth grow. Your network is your net worth. Millionaires understand the importance of building strong relationships. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops. Connect with like-minded individuals and potential mentors. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Surround yourself with positive, successful individuals. Their energy and knowledge will inspire you. Building a strong network opens doors to opportunities. Section 5. Master your time. Every minute counts. Time is your most valuable asset. Millionaires are masters of time management. They prioritize tasks, delegate effectively, and avoid distractions. Start by identifying your most productive hours. Schedule your most important tasks during those times. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Avoid procrastination. It's the thief of time. Remember, every minute counts. Use it wisely. Section 6. Embrace failure. It's a stepping stone. Failure is an inevitable part of life, and it's crucial to understand that it is not the end, but rather a beginning. It's a stepping stone to greater things, a necessary part of the journey towards success. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Every obstacle you encounter is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become stronger. Think of it as a challenging hike through a dense forest. Each step, no matter how difficult, brings you closer to your destination. Millionaires and successful individuals view setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. They understand that each failure is a lesson, a chance to reflect and improve. They take notes, analyze their mistakes, and strategize their next move with even more determination. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Every great achievement starts with a bold decision. Whether it's jumping off a small cliff into the unknown or making a significant life choice, taking risks is essential. It's these calculated risks that pave the way for success. Embrace failures as learning experiences. When you fall, smile, pick yourself up, and rebuild. Each failure is a building block, a piece of the puzzle that, when put together, forms the bigger picture of your success story. Analyze what went wrong and how you can improve next time. Persistence is key. Take the time to write down your thoughts, analyze the data, and understand the root cause of your setbacks. This reflection is crucial for growth and improvement. Never give up on your dreams, no matter the obstacles. The journey to success is like running a marathon or climbing a steep mountain. It requires endurance, determination, and an unwavering focus on your goals. Keep pushing forward, no matter how tough it gets. Remember, every successful person has faced setbacks. Look at the stories of famous individuals who have achieved greatness. They all have one thing in common. They faced numerous failures but never gave up. Their achievements are a testament to their resilience and perseverance. It's how you bounce back that defines you. Celebrate your small victories, for they are the stepping stones to your ultimate triumph. Each time you get up after a fall, you become stronger, more resilient, and more prepared for the challenges ahead. Embrace the journey, and let each failure be a stepping stone to your success. Section 7. Millionaire Role Models, Learning from the Best. Learn from those who have already achieved what you desire. Study the habits and routines of successful entrepreneurs like Bill Gates and Oprah Winfrey. Observe their work ethic, their dedication to learning, and their unwavering belief in themselves. Model their behaviors and adapt their strategies to your own life. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Learn from the best and pave your own path to success. Section 8. Start today. Small changes, big results. In this chapter, we will explore how making minor adjustments in your daily habits can lead to significant improvements in your life. It's all about taking that first step. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. The idea is to start small and build momentum. Think about one area of your life where you want to see change. It could be your health, finances, or personal growth. Start by incorporating one or two of these habits into your daily routine. For instance, if you want to improve your health, you might begin by drinking an extra glass of water each day, or taking a short walk after dinner. Commit to reading for 15 minutes each day. This small habit can expand your knowledge, reduce stress, and even improve your focus. Choose a book that excites you, and make it a part of your daily ritual. Set a small, achievable financial goal. It could be as simple as saving $1 a day or cutting back on one unnecessary expense each week. Over time, these small savings can add up and make a big difference in your financial health. As you experience the positive effects of these changes, you'll be motivated to do more. Remember, consistency is key. Celebrate your small wins, no matter how insignificant they may seem. Each victory is a step towards a larger goal. Small, consistent actions lead to massive results over time. Whether it's improving your fitness, advancing your career, or enhancing your personal relationships, the principle remains the same. Consistency and persistence are your best allies. Start small, dream big, and never give up. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch as your small changes lead to big results. Your future self will thank you for the efforts you make today. Section 9. Unleash your inner millionaire. The power to achieve financial freedom lies within you. Embrace the millionaire mindset. Adopt the habits of success. Commit to constant learning and growth. Believe in yourself and your dreams. The journey starts now. Take action today and unleash your inner millionaire.